Eto na mga boss, quick update lang tayo sa Taroverse. Kung extra time karabin natin to, let's go! Ito na nga mga boss, no? So ito yung contract address niya sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nakapag-add. You can add already. And guys, this is one of the best NFT games that you can play. So you can try Taroverse and purchase already the token. So may NFT hero dito, may samurai, assassin, musician, and paalala lang mga boss, part 2 review na to. So nireview na natin dati to, re-review natin ulit dahil mga boss, sobrang lupit nitong taro na to. So yan, yung token, pwede mo pa stake, okay? Iwan mo lang, kikita ka. Pwede ka mag-farm, okay, farming, pwede trading, no loss lottery, pwede rin leaderboard, weekly task, event skills. Grabe guys, pwede mo makuha dyan, no? So DeFi and in-game, and also mga boss, ito yung roadmap nila. So magkakaroon ng metaverse services, development of Taroverse Island, no? Magkakaroon ng parties, events, yan, Monster Bash, public alpha testing, functional play to earn features, development, land, NFT system, tactics, battle royale development, brand awareness marketing, CX listing, tactics royal, public alpha testing, heroes, NFT skins, Taro Gem quest development, brand awareness marketing, esports competition. So imagine yung may esports competition pa, merch stores, planning next set for games of Taroverse. And guys, sobrang daming partners, sobrang lupit nito guys. You can check them out if you are interested. So you can also connect your MetaMask guys, very easy, very convenient, no? So para makita nyo mga boss na kinonect natin. So Binance Smart Chain siya. So lahat naman tayo may BSC and makapag-register ka lang agad-agad. And mga boss, maganda dito, pa nag-register ka, it's very easy, convenient kapag naglalaro ka. So hindi na kailangan na mag-register ka tapos ulit ka mag-register, hindi, one time lang to, okay? So convenient siya. So ito mga boss, yung Twitter nila, latest update lang. So may spin the wheel na, leaking luck type mini game, no? So luck type mini game, and mga boss, ang laki na followers nila, 79k. Marami pang bago guys. So magkakaroon ng partnership, the world's first cross platform metaverse with play to earn, move to earn guys. So grabe, Kyoko, no? So sobrang big deal yan. Ayan, so may club pa, airdrop. So sa lahat ng mga interested sa giveaway, yan, wala masyadong budget, pwede kayong umabang sa mga competition, yan, sa mga clubs, no? And another thing to consider dito guys, pag nandito na, pwede nyo i-download soon. And mga boss, may mga airdrops referral system din dito. So kung interesado kayo, you can already check this out. You can refer to your friends and enjoy 0.5 commission lifetime guys. Grabe, lupit, lifetime to So ngayon pa lang we will try this. So ngayon magre-refer tayo, makikita nyo dito rewards kapag nakapag-refer na kayo. And guys, this seems exciting mga boss. So gamitin nyo yung link nyo, huwag nyo gamitin nyo sa akin. Okay, I mean, ngayon gamitin nyo sa akin pa nag-register kayo. Pero kapag mag-invite kayo sa mga kakilala niyo, gamitin nyo yung link niyo, okay? So sayang din kasi pag ginamit nyo sa akin, meron din kayong benefits dyan. So another thing to consider mga boss, merong Taro NFTs nga dito na inaabangan. Tingnan nyo yung Bear Hero mga boss, gaano kalupit. So malupitan talaga tong Taroverse na to. Ganyan yung gameplay niya. So yung mga ganyang klaseng games talagang inaabangan, talagang tumatagal, most likely parang Kingdom Hearts yung dati yan, no? So a lot of things to consider dito guys. May hero NFTs pa, may yield farming, hero NFT upgrade, item NFT, NFT marketplace, meron pa metaverse, meron pa Taro Club, Carnival Zone, Hall of Heroes guys. Tingnan nyo naman, lupit. So may Taraguchi, meron Taro Gem quest, may Monster Bash, grabe, ito yung malupit din, Monster Bash, Tactics Royale, meron din LP staking guys. So pwede nga mag-stake, ayan yung fee. So para aware din kayo sa fee, ayan, no? So 0.5% if a player withdraws after 1 week but before 2 weeks, 0.4 after 2 weeks. So pag tumatagal, mas bumababa yung fee. Sagarin nyo na, no? Kung nakikita nyo naman, tansya nyo rin mga boss, kung yung token naman ay bumabagsak na, withdraw mo na. Pero kung tumataas in the long term, hayaan mo lang, no? Lalo na kung di mo naman kailangan yung token, no? Huwag mo na i-convert into stable coin. Ngayon mga boss, another thing to consider yung tokenomics nila. Ayan nga, good supply. Ayan yung sa private, no, sa marketing. Ayan, 10%, which is the best. In-advise ko talaga lahat ng NFT projects na 10% ang marketing budget. Very nice yan. So, dapat din nakalock yung liquidity and yung private sale na naka-vesting yun. Also, yung team wallet, no. So, doc steps din dito guys, no. As you can see, doc steps with Twitter, LinkedIn, with various programs and also advisors, partners. Malulupit talaga guys. So, you can check Taroverse now if you're interested. For me, it has big potential for me. It is the future guys, no. So, nandito na lahat, FAQ, roadmap, important links. I will link them all on the description below. This is Danjo the Capital Master, your #1 NFT coach. This is Taroverse and you can check the latest airdrop and events. Also the pitch deck, it is available on their website guys. So as you can see, so multi-chain to guys. Pwede kang bumili ng NFTs in the future or pwede ka mag-stake lang ng Taro token, no? Kaya valuable yung Taro token. So ingat kayo mga boss and have a nice day. Dior pa rin, nasa inyo pa rin kung papasok ko hindi, decision nyo pa rin yan. But for me, Taroverse has big potential mga boss.